Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to resize the urgent icons. For example, battery icons, make it larger or smaller. For doing these things, please watching this video until the end. Let's go. At the first step, hit the setting button, and after that, scroll down to the about phone. After that, we click on software information. At this stage, we need to open developer mode. For this thing, please hit the build number for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Developer mode is on. Hit the back option, hit the back, and on the setting, search developer. Hit the developer option. Scroll down to drawing section. Scroll down. Drawing section. You see, drawing section. We need to manipulate the minimum width. For example, 5450. Okay, you see, it's very small, but now type, for example, 320. Okay, you see, this is larger and good for us. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more tips on phones and Android.